Alan Chastanet'S went to court in February seeking to stop the government from selling citizenship through certain investment projects he deemed illegal. He specifically targeted 3 deals, claiming they violated the law: a resort project with Galaxy Real Estate and 2 separate infrastructure and housing projects involving Galaxy and BMAX. The former Prime Minister, who managed the CIP from 2016 to 2021, alleged that St. Lucia'S citizenship was being sold for as low as $65,000, significantly below the legal minimum price. He claimed developers were using fraudulent loan schemes to mask the lower payments. However, the government and the CIP board refuted these claims in court. They provided evidence that every citizenship applicant must pay the full investment amount into a special bank account before approval is granted. Crucially, they pointed out that the programs Chastanet'S complained about were already suspended in July 2024, and the contracts with Galaxy and BMAX had been cancelled back in March, weeks after Chastanet'S filed his case. Justice Cenac-Phulgence ultimately ruled that Chastanet'S had not proven his claims. The judge noted that his evidence primarily relied on information from other Caribbean countries and second-hand accounts from one person, and failed to provide any concrete proof of citizenship being granted for less than the required amount in St. Lucia. The judge also criticized Chastanet'S for the delay in filing his case, noting he had been speaking publicly about the issue for months but never sent a proper legal letter to the defendants before suing. Justice Cenac-Phulgence concluded that an injunction to stop the program would be detrimental to St. Lucia's economy. The CIP contributes about 10% of the country's income, while Chastanet'S had failed to demonstrate any immediate danger requiring such a halt. Quote, "The court is of the view that the claimant has not shown at this stage that there is any serious issue to be tried to justify the grant of an injunction as sought." The full case concerning the overall legality of how the Citizenship by Investment program is being run will proceed to a court hearing next January. Chastanet'S has been ordered to pay the government's legal costs for the injunction application. St. Lucia's Citizenship by Investment program allows foreigners to become citizens by investing in approved real estate, business projects, or making donations to a government fund. The program generated over $240 million last year. Gina Philippi, HTS News Force.